What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now, on the lower time frame, as you can see, gold has created a huge false breakout during the news announcement, and that candle now can give us a significant trading opportunity in this time frame. Now, before we discuss how we can trade gold, let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see the general direction in the market. Now, on the monthly perspective, we see that gold is long-term bearish, creating a double top here. We have seen that gold has broken down with a strong momentum. Now, if we narrow down to the recent time frame, we see that what gold did, there is a middleman. With this middleman, gold has broken this monthly level of support here. Now, with that breakout, the previous months also gold has formed this strong bearish candle with a lower high in this direction. Now, this month, as soon as market open, we have seen that gold in fact face this resistance level. This is the monthly resistance. We're back to back to monthly opening and closing. From that resistance, we have seen that again gold has rejected. As you can see, there is no strong level of support that to hold that gold price. That means that we might see suddenly a massive drop on gold as soon as the support will be fully broken. So with that said, let's look at the weekly time frame to see what kind of price action. Now, weekly also we see a typical downtrending market structure with a double top breakdown correction breakdown correction. Now we have seen also did the same thing, and now it is in another impulsive phase on the weekly perspective as well. If we look at narrow down to the recent time frame, this is the weekly price action. We see that after the previous weeks, this bearish engulfer, this week the price has gone up again, retraced to this level, grab the liquidity on the lower time frame, and now we see the price is below this weekly important level of support zone. So with that said, we can see a drop in this direction. As you can see, there is no other support in the on the weekly perspective as well that can the gold price may bounce, but now we could see it could just melt to the downside. So monthly, weekly aligning together for bearish price action. On the daily, we have a little bit of a stronger confluence. Daily perspective, as you can see, this is the previous daily candle, which also crossed quite a few days high. There is a back-to-back daily dodges here in this zone, and also this is the daily very important level of support zone which also penetrated, and then we have seen a strong rejection creating a very strong bearish engulfer. After this kind of candle, what we can expect, the price to continue to drop. Now if you closely look at, this is a very important daily level of support is now breaking. So with that breakout, we could potentially see a massive drop on gold on the lower time frame if it breaks properly. Now if we look at the intraday perspective, this is the candle that we have seen after the strong rejection from the top during the news announcement. We have seen a very strong bearish engulfer. Now then, how we can trade gold? As you can see, we could potentially see gold is dropping from here, as this is the daily level of support, or we could see gold is going up again to test this very important trend line. So which is likely to happen. Now as you can see, this is not a good place for selling, as this is just breaking the daily level of support. In what situation we'll be trading is, firstly we want to see either gold has broken this daily support completely, a candle closed below with a very strong body, probably a middleman or any kind of strong bearish candle from here. If we see that, then we need to see a retest of this support here, and also support in this area, also support here as a resistance. And if we see strong rejection from that level of support, then we'll consider shorting gold from this zone. On the other hand, there is another probability for gold to go up again to test this trend line, which is this trend line. And also there is a reversal pattern here, as you can see in the zone, to test this support here, and also resistance here as a resistance from this zone, where we can find significant shorting opportunity. These are the two zones that we will be waiting to see how the price is reacting. As soon as we will find suitable price action according to the rules of our strategies, will consider going short on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below. Let us know which way you are trading gold. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.